Portmore businessman listed as a person of interest by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links to Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the Specialized Operation Branch have listed Lennon Dunkley, a businessman of Portmore St. Catherine, as a person of interest. In a release, detectives indicated that it is believed that Dunkley may be able to assist them with an investigation. He's been asked to contact detectives at the Specialized Operation Branch at Herman Barracks in Vineyard Town, Kingston 3 by 5 p.m. on Tuesday, December 21. Additionally, detectives said that they may be contacted by calling the telephone number 876-928-1222. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.